Hello and welcome to another video. In this video we learn how to use the path. Let's say we want to use something from the local files with Node. How we can do that? We'll do that using the path. First of all, let's make a new folder called path. Let's call it public because we have public files in here. We need to make a variable called path and require path. After we require it, we need to use it. How we do that? We simply type app.use express static, because we work with static files, path.join and your name, where express we will search for static files. We call it public. Here let's make a new folder called images, a new one called JS, and one named style sheet. Here we create a new file main.css, in JS let's say 1.js, and an image. I will put the image here with the rows. Yeah, that's it. So how we access it? First of all, we need to make a new AJS file called images.ajs, and here let's make an h1 with an ID of h1 name. You can create the ID like this: h1 hashtag and put the ID name h1 name. Yeah, and you get the exact same thing. If you want to build the h1 with a class, you simply put a dot and name of the class. Let's take overload, and you have h1 with the class of overload. Let's put here get a photo from the PC, and the image with the source of images 100 kilobytes.jpg. It will look for the image directly in the public folder, but we need to specify that it's the image folder and the photo name. We don't need a note, and this is it. Let's run it with npm run dev, and let's check if it works. Yeah, but oh, we don't have any get method to get the AJS in here. So let's make a get method, get the photo, get the app.get image is with a request and response, res.render images.ajs. Save and go to images, images, y, res.render images.ajs. We save. Oh, we forgot to put the backslash here. Now it should work. Failed to look up view images in view directory. Images. I misspelled. I forgot to put the backslash here, so let's try it again. Get a photo from the PC, and here is the photo. Nice. Let's say we want a background color of, I don't know, aqua. How we include it is use a link with a ref of style sheets and main.css, and we should see the background change. Yeah. And what about the script? Let's console log something like hello from the image page and include it here with script with the source of js 1.js. We refresh it. If we inspect, we see hello from the image page on the console from the web browser. Remember, we don't see it on the server side, we see it on the page here. So that's about static files and files from the computer. Let's say we want to apply the background to all our pages and the script to all our pages. What we can do, instead of copying and pasting the link to every page, we can make a new folder, partials, and we make a footer .ags and a header .ags. In the header we can put the link, and let's say we want to import Bootstrap or something. Let's go to skeleton CDN, copy the link tag and put it here, and we have the skeleton CDN. Not in the footer, we need it in the header, and in the footer we can put the script, and let's put on h5 overload code with a copyright sign. So how we include it in image folder? For this we have a new thing in AJS. We use the % sign and a slash to include. So we simply type include, we go to partials, header, need to close it, and the same thing for footer. And let's see if it works. No. No, cause we don't need this backslash here. Yeah. And we have the photo and the overload code copyright sign. Let's make it footer, not h5. Yeah. We can put the same thing here in data for the form method. So if we go to home, we have this form. If we include the header, you will see that the skeleton will make the form look better. Yeah. We need to add a type here of text to make it work. Type equal to text. Text. Yeah, and it works. The user is 123. So this is how you use the path, and this is how you make header and footer in AJS. Thank you, and see you in the next video.